This month is gonna be a little extra special. I'm gonna share with you my YouTube income and where things are going. On December 8th, I've monetized my channel and it is all possible thanks to you guys. I want to be extremely transparent. Everything that I'm gonna share is gonna be whatever that the YouTube analytics show. This is the December's Money Diaries series where I share with you my income, my bills, my expenses, all on this spreadsheet that I've created. Let's get straight to December Money Diaries. This spreadsheet is one that I've done up to track for 2023. It will track all of my income, expenses, bills, interest, dividends. This is one place where I lock down everything. And if you're interested in getting this spreadsheet, link will be up above and down below. There will be a QR code over here which you can scan as well. For my bond interest this month, I've received a total of $38.61. Under the breakdown tab on my budgeting spreadsheet, I'm tracking all of the bonds that I currently hold and the interest that will be paid out in the different months. As you can see in this table over here, this is the bonds that I currently hold, and in March to June and also September to December are the months that I'll be receiving interest payout from the bonds that I currently hold. This month is the Astria 3.85% and I've gotten a total of $38.61. Next category will be the bank interest. I've recently changed and focused on only OCBC, which I do have a video comparing the different banks with their recent changes in interest rates. You can refer to that video up above and down below. You can get as high as 4% on your savings account. Cashback for this month is a total of $70.73. The cashback component makes up of the HSBC Revolution credit card, UOB Absolute Amex, UOB Evol, and also Shopback cashback that I've cashed out from that account. For those of you who do not know what Shopback is, Shopback basically is a third-party platform where you can earn cashback by buying on merchants like Shopee, on Lazada, etc. If you make your payment through Shopback, you'll be able to earn a certain percentage back for cashback. UOB Evol is a $600 minimum spending card. In October, I did not manage to hit my minimum spending, which is why this cashback is only at 3 cents. UOB Absolute Amex is a 1.7% cashback card that allows you to earn cashback for almost anything, and I've gotten $41.11. For those of you who do not know, I was away in Korea the last few months, which is why I don't hit the minimum spending on UOB Evol, and I rely a lot on no minimum spending cards. The UOB Absolute Amex recently changed their terms for using this to pay for insurance premium. Refer to that video up above and down below. I'm actually going to move to the Amex True Cashback credit card to pay for my insurance premium and get 1.5%. HSBC Revolution is 2.5% cashback credit card if not 4 miles per dollar. This month, I've redeemed my points and I've gotten $13 in cashback. So in total, $70.73. Under the YouTube umbrella, I've categorized the income category into 3 parts: affiliates, AdSense, and BMAC. BMAC is Buy Me a Coffee, where I've listed the spreadsheet that you can buy and download to track your finances for 2023 and the years ahead. As I mentioned in all my videos, do not buy it because it looks aesthetically nice. Buy it because you will use it to track your expenses, and tracking it will help your finances in the future, I guarantee. A lot of you have actually bought it in December. I believe you will be using that for 2023, so kudos to you. In total, I've received $152.35. It is all possible only because of you guys, and if you have any questions, my DMs are always open. Affiliates is $90. This affiliates is the Utrip referrals that I've been receiving for those of you who have signed up with my referral link. Utrip is a card that I advocate not because I'm sponsored by them. I really love using their platform. It gives me good multi-currency rates and also being able to send money to my friends, if not withdraw money overseas. However, I understand that you guys want me to do a comparison with a lot of other multi-currency cards like Trust Bank Credit Card, Revolut, BigPay, and also Instagram. I have brought this on my trip to Taiwan, which I will do a subsequent video on. If you want to know the differences, make sure you follow along on this journey. I will upload that video very soon. So for Utrip, affiliates referral is $90. AdSense for this month, I have not received anything. AdSense is basically YouTube revenue from the advertisements that you guys watch before the start of my video. It is all possible only because of you who watch my videos and support my channel. I'm truly grateful for what the channel has become today, and I look forward to helping you guys grow in your own personal finance journey, sharing my own tips and tricks and how I personally do it for myself. Let's go to YouTube analytics and I'll show you how the income looks like right now. As of today, 29th of December, the YouTube estimated revenue is at $63.82. Every single day, the money that comes in is ranging about $2 to $5. It's nice to see something back in return for all the videos that I've put out. So every single day, it depends on whether do I upload or not. When I do upload a new video, the revenue goes up by a little. If you can see over here, $4.88 on a Monday that I've uploaded the Singapore 3 Big Banks Savings Account interest rate comparison. And when I upload the UOB Absolute Amex, it was at at $4.10. It depends on the number of views you get that determines the amount of revenue you'll be receiving on a day-to-day basis. Every single day is roughly about $2, $3, $4, $5 if I upload. It is not much, but it is still something that I will hope to see in return in the future. As this channel grows, it will be interesting to see how the revenue grows as well. Follow along on this journey. I'll share with you very transparently how the YouTube income is coming in and where I'm actually getting all these sources of income. It is sort of creating a life that I would love to live, and putting out this personal finance content has always been very interesting to me, and I hope that whatever that I've put up has helped you in your personal finance journey. In total for YouTube, I've gotten $242.35, and for refund, this amount is actually my Jeju tax refund. Last month I received for the refund that I've gotten in Seoul. This was the one for Jeju. So in total, I've gotten $27.45. The others category is made up of three things. One is the government GST payout. Each and every one of us will get a payout, and the amount will differ depending on the income category you're at. And also, I've sold my travel backpack because it was too heavy for my bag and it was very bad. I've sold it and I've just used a check-in luggage now. And $170, this is interesting. The HSBC credit card had a sign-up promotion previously, and I used that sign-up promotion to get an Apple Watch Series 7. I'm not using that watch. I've actually sold it to my brother. He uses Apple Watch to track his fitness and also the convenience of it. However, I don't see a need for an Apple Watch. I do have one which he passed down to me. It is a Series 5, and in this month I received $170 from the Apple Watch. In total, my income this month is at $3,913.96. Usually at the start of the month, I will always budget some amount to save after I've gotten my salary. December was a month that I did not do that as well, but I did transfer an amount to Safe Trade, which I'm using to invest into the S&P 500 index and also some Singapore REITs. I'm using Safe Trade because of how beginner friendly that platform is. I've done up an entire video showing how I started my first investment and why I think Safe Trade is a good platform to start with. You can refer to that video up above and also down below. OCBC is the main savings account that I'm using to credit my salary and save with them, and with that I'm getting 3.25%. When I'm back in Singapore fully in March, I will change it to UOB One savings account because that gives you a higher interest rate if I can hit the minimum spending of $500 on a credit card. So if I can't, I will stick to OCBC. If you do not know which savings account to use, make sure you watch the video where I do the comparison and determine for yourself which savings account is good for you. If you're still with DBS Multiplier, please change your savings account because you could be earning so much more. Next to that will be my fixed expenses. As the name goes, it is fixed expenses. Every single month is roughly about the same, $709.22 for this month. I pay my insurance premium on a monthly basis. I know that when you pay your insurance premium on a yearly basis, you do get a little bit of a discount, but I did not. I'm doing it on a monthly basis. And for my phone bill, $6, Spotify, $10, iCloud, $129. Installments was at $215.72. As I've always mentioned in my videos, installment plans is not supposed to make you guys go into debt. Make sure when you choose installment plans, you have a specific reason for it. Taxes is $22.70, so in total it's $709.22. And for my variable expenses, if you look at all the categories, this month I spent $1,026.68. Bulk of this is from gifts. The pie chart over here tells you in a glance what is your biggest category and what comes next after that. The biggest part of my expenses this month was gifts at 41.5%, and then shopping at 16.6%. Social meals out is at 17%. So these are my top 3 categories for this month. Gifts, I've actually bought my mom's flight to Taiwan, and December was a month where I met a lot of people after coming back from Korea for 2.5 months. So it was a lot of meals out with friends, with family as well. Work meals was $22.70. Me time is at $16.08. Groceries $10.50. Bus and MRT is at $31.98. Cab and car is $34.10. This amount actually makes up of one of the work cab rides that I can claim for, which will come in January. So $20 will be offset from this in January. Shopping was $170.49. Gifts is $426.32. Entertainment 0. Others is $102, and travel was $38.05. This was the SIM card that I've bought for my Taiwan trip. Right now I'm here in Taipei, Taiwan, and I will be here until Chinese New Year, and I will be back celebrating Chinese New Year with my family, and then after that I'm going back to Korea. Summing this up, I've saved a total of 55.65% of my income this month. A thing to note is that I did not include my travel expenditures in this budgeting spreadsheet apart from the SIM card that I've recorded. Big things like travel air tickets, things like accommodations, I do not account here because I want to make it as relevant to you guys as much as possible, so I'm keeping that out of this. If I include my travel expenditures here, it will not be as relevant, I would think. Now let's go to Wallet by Budget Pickers and I'll show you 2022 in totality and how my year has been in terms of my finances. Wallet by Budget Pickers, this is an app where I use to track everything on a day-to-day basis whenever I'm outside and I don't have access to my computer. The budgeting spreadsheet is one that I will keep track every other day. If not end of the week, I will track and update that spreadsheet. But this is what I update on a day-to-day basis. My income for 2022 is at 43,739.56, and when I expand this category over here, you'll be able to see bond interest. In total, I receive $415.68. Cashback is at $722.07. Interest, $545.49. Refund is at $114.35. Side hustles is at $1,313.07. It's very interesting to be able to see the breakdown in this way. When you track your finances, you'll be able to see a whole year, and it's honestly very eye-opening, and also sometimes it can be worrying if you spend too much and your savings rate is extremely low. My 2022 savings rate is at 58.77%. This is relatively high. If you know, the common saying for personal finance is that 50% of your income will be on your needs, 30% on your wants, and 20% for your savings. This is relatively higher, and I hope in 2023 I'll be able to increase this to at least 65%. It'll be almost a 10% increase, which is what I will look forward to in 2023. My goal for 2023 is to invest more, to create more dividend income, and also be able to save and push up my savings rate. If you are interested to know how I'm actually going to be doing that, follow along on this journey. I'll be sure to share with you guys. This sums up my 2022. I wish you guys a happy new year and enjoy your holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Happy New Year. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.